guys, welcome to my kitchen. And one of the most favorite things which I love to cook is cooking with fish. जब fresh fish आती है, उसके साथ prawns mix हो जाते हैं and some beautiful spices के साथ एक अच्छी करी बन जाती है. लेकिन sometimes it can take a long time, काफी टाइम लगता है. I'm going to be making a fantastic fish and a prawn curry, Vicky style, using my fabulous Dragon Fire Chutney, क्योंकि you're going to have a party in your mouth. Let's start cooking. So I'm going to be actually just chopping up some ginger, a little bit of garlic. So we've got this ginger garlic going on here. So today I'm using pomfret. मैं थोड़ी सी पापलेट यूज कर रहा हूँ और प्रॉन्स यूज कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन अगर आपको अगर pomfret नहीं मिलती है और you want to use any other kind of fish, please be my guest. And also this recipe works amazingly even with all kinds of vegetables, paneer, tofu, mushrooms, aloo, बैंगन, bell peppers, anything you want. So actually this chutney has all the flavors which chefs and cooks look for. So give it a shot and follow this recipe and do share it, do like it. हाँ? हम एक चिली split कर देते हैं इसके लिए. Too good. So we've got chilies, we've got ginger garlic. Now next is the marinade. Marinade काफी simple है, very simple है. You will be surprised and you'll say, wow, Vicky, really? और अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें हमारी चिंग्स की ड्रैगन फायर चटनी. ओके, फिर इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ी सी हल्दी, lovely, a little bit of red chili powder, a little bit of धनिया पाउडर. तो ये हमारी मैरिनेड हो गई. अभी हम इसको थोड़ा सा मिक्स कर देते हैं. तो अभी हम इसको थोड़ा सा मैरिनेट कर देते हैं. You can just spread it out a little bit and the rest in the prawns. तो इसको अच्छी तरह हमने मिक्स कर दिया. Now you can pre-marinate your fish a little longer, no problem. I've got some lemon juice. I like to add lemon juice just before I'm cooking the fish, not too much in advance, because sometimes क्या होता है जो citrus है ना, वो actually आपकी fish को पका लेता है. Okay? Fantastic. So just a little bit of vegetable oil in the pan, थोड़ी सी नमक, a little bit of salt. Beautiful, and we are ready to cook. Okay. So first we're going to add a little bit of mustard seeds, फिर थोड़ा सा जीरा, lovely. उसके बाद थोड़ी सी मिर्ची, थोड़ी सी अदरक और लहसुन. Fantastic. और अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे कड़ी पत्ता, the magical leaves in my kitchen. We're going to add some coconut milk, हल्का सा इसको हिला देते हैं, a little bit of salt, और फिर हम इसमें डालेंगे हमारी फिश. हमने हमारी फिश डाल दी इसमें. उप्स. ये 3 or 4 minutes में हमारी ये fish is going to cook really well, and then we're going to put a little bit of prawns on the side. Fantastic. Then we're going to be adding just a little bit of water, थोड़ा सा नींबू. That's it. In 2 minutes time, our beautiful fish curry ready. Wow! Party in the mouth! ready. I've got some really nice steamed rice here. Best lunch you can ever have. और देखा आपने? It's absolutely quick. It's really fast. Just a few elements. So let's have a party in your mouth.